Here we have a 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLA 220D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the blue exterior paintwork, the factory night package, LED headlights, of the big Mercedes badge in the centre of the grille just there. Round to the passenger side you'll find the black door mirrors, with the colour-coded door handles, black trim around the windows, with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top we have the black roof rails, the panoramic glass roof as well, the rear spoiler. And this vehicle does have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We also have the active park assist, the power assisted tailgate, we have the dual exit exhausts, and this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look now at the interior, so in the back first you'll find the full leather interior. We have the red stitching, we have the foldable armrest in the centre, fixed ISO points as well just down there. We have the vents for the rear passengers. On the doors we have the electric windows and integrated speakers. Coming into the front you'll find the same full leather interior with the red stitching. Both of these front seats are heated and electrically adjustable with the memory function just there. Electric windows with child out for the rear, electric mirrors as well. We have the auto lights just down there, along with the flat-bottomed multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters both sides. We have the digital screen in the centre of the dashboard just there, along with the main infotainment screen in the centre, which has the lights of the sat-nav. We have the radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, ambient lighting. We also have the different drive modes and much more. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.